Children, in today's class, we shall start with exercise 7.6 and solve the first question, which is solve. Okay. So, very first part in this is 2 by 3 plus 1 by 7. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 7. Now, here these are unlike fractions. So, we take the LCM of 3 and 7. So LCM of 3 and 7 is 21. So we have to express both the fractions in such a way that denominator is 21. So we can write 2 by 3 as 2 by 3 into, we will multiply numerator and denominator by 7. So this is 14 and this is 21. So we get 14 upon 21. Also 1 upon 7 is equal to 1 upon 7 multiply numerator and denominator by 3, because we want in the denominator 21. So this is 3 upon 21. Now see here, we have 14 upon 21 and 3 upon 21. We will add these two. Okay? So when we add, what do we get? So 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 7 is equal to 14 upon 21 plus 3 upon 21, which is further equal to 21. We add the numerators, 14 plus 3, this is equal to 17 upon 21. Is this clear? Right. Now we take up the B part. 3 upon 10 plus 7 upon 15. 3 upon 10 plus 7 upon 15. Now again they are unlike fraction. We take the LCM of 10 and 15. LCM of 10 and 15 is, let us take the LCM, 30 आएगा. 2 5s are 10 and then 15. 3 5s are 15 and 5. 5 1s are 1s are. So 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. LCM is 30. So we express both these fractions such that the denominator is 30. So we can write 3 upon 10 as 3 upon 10 multiply numerator and denominator by 3. So we get 3 3s are 9 upon 30. Also 7 upon 15. 7 upon 15, this is equal to 7 upon 15 multiply numerator and denominator by 2. So this is 7 2s are 14, 14 and 15 2s are 30. Alright. So what do we have? We have now 9 upon 30 and 14 upon 30. Okay? So we will add these two. So we have 3 upon 10 plus 7 upon 15 is equal to 9 upon 30 plus 14 upon 30. So directly add 9 plus 14 upon 30. 14 and 9 is what? 23 upon 30. So this is the answer. Okay. Now coming to C part. C part is 4 upon 9 plus 2 upon 7. 4 upon 9 plus 2 upon 7. Again they are unlike fractions, so we take the LCM of 9 and 7. LCM of 9 and 7 is 63, because they both are co-prime. तो जो LCM होगा वो इनका प्रोडक्ट होगा. So we have to write both the fractions in such a way that the denominator is 63. So we can write 4 upon 9 as 4 upon 9, we multiply numerator and denominator by 7. So 7 4s are 28, 7 9s are 63. ठीक है? And 2 by 7. 2 by 7 is equal to what? 2 by 7. Then we multiply numerator and denominator by 9. So 2 9s are 18 and 7 9s are 63. ठीक है? So now we have this fraction and this fraction. Okay? So 4 upon 9 plus 2 upon 7, this is equal to 28 upon 63 plus 18 upon 63. This is further equal to 28 plus 18 upon 63. This is equal to, यहाँ पे 63 लिखा, 8 and 8 is 16, carry 1, 2 and 2 is 4. So this is 46 upon 63. This is the answer. Okay. Now we come to the D part. 5 by 7 plus 1 by 3. Again they are unlike fractions. So we take the LCM. LCM of 7 and 3 is 21. So now we have to make these fractions in such a way that the denominator is 21. So we can write 5 upon 7 as 5 upon 7 multiplied by 3, numerator and denominator, because we want 21 in the denominator. So this becomes 15 upon 21. Now next is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is equal to what? We have to make the denominator 21. So multiply numerator and denominator by 7. So 1 into 7 is 7. 3 into 7 is 21. Alright. Now we have these two fractions. Tick. So we have 5 upon 7 plus 1 upon 3. This is equal to 15 upon 21 plus 7 upon 21. So further this is equal to 15 plus 7 upon 21. 15 and 7 is 22 upon 21. Is this clear? Right. Now we begin with the E part. 2 by 5 plus 1 by 6. 2 by 5 plus 1 by 6. Now again we take the LCM. LCM of 5 and 6 is 30 because both are co-prime. So we have to make the denominators of these two fractions 30. So 2 upon 5 is equal to what? 2 upon 5 multiplied by 6, because 6 5s is 30, 6 2s is 12, 12 upon 30. Now 1 upon 6. 1 upon 6 we multiply numerator and denominator by 5 because we want 30 in the denominator. So this is 5 upon 30. Now we see here it is 12 by 30 and here 5 by 30. So 2 upon 5 plus 1 upon 6 is equal to 12 upon 30 plus 5 upon 30. This is equal to 12 plus 5 upon 30, which is equal to 17 upon 30. Alright. So with this I wind up my class. In the next class I shall take up the rest of the questions.